Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about United Kingdom. This is a prime study destination for all. So at first we will discuss about myths and realities. So the first myth is the weather is terrible all year long. So it is not true. You will able to experience all four seasons from chilly winters to breezy autumns. Second, UK university's tuition fee is high. So it is not true. If you are planned the right way, you will save more. Accommodation and cost of living is too expensive in the UK. So it is all depends on your lifestyle. Finding job is difficult. Students have an option to apply and get jobs in 50,000 companies. Getting PR in UK is impossible. So it is not true. It is possible with a number of job opportunities. 1 year masters are not recognized across the world. So it is not true. 1 year masters are recognized across the world. IELTS, GRE and GMAT is mandatory to study in UK. So GRE is not required for UK. GMAT is required only in top business schools and IELTS is waived in many universities. So let's discuss about benefits of studying in UK. So UK is world's most popular study destination. Number 1. Number 2, UK universities are among the best in the world, shorter duration of course and it reduces cost. Fourth, UK has a multicultural environment. Fifth, UK is home of English. 6. Many universities offer placement year, easy admission and visa procedure. And the last is possibility of admission to universities without IELTS. And there is lots of other benefits including this. Let's discuss about map and popular cities. So here you can see the most popular cities are situated in England. So if you are trying to study in England, so please call us. Our contact details will be in description box. So let's discuss about language, currency, time zone, weather and population. So the official language is English, currency is GBP, Great Britain pound, and the time is 5.3 hours behind of India, we all know. And the weather in the UK, generally temperature ranges between 10 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade at the peak of summers, and the population is 67 million. Let's see about popular subjects to study in UK. Here is the list. Like first is engineering, second is management, third is art, computer science, life science, hospitality, law and architecture. If you are willing to study in UK with these subjects, please call us. Our all contact details will be in the description box. Here is the top 5 universities with great employability and teaching excellence. So you can see the top ranked university, University of Liverpool, University of Manchester and many more is there. And the affordable university like University of Greenwich, the University of Law. This is the most affordable universities in UK. So here is the university list for Jan 2-3 and you can take a screenshot of this. And if you are willing to study any of these universities, please call us. And let's discuss about tuition fees, academic requirement, English requirement and stay back period. So tuition fees ranges between minimum 8,000 GBP to max 25,000 GBP, and academic requirements is minimum 55% for masters and 60% for bachelors. So please note that if scores are below record the marks, student can opt for pathway programs. Don't worry if your score is like below about 55% or 60%, you can opt for pathway programs. English requirement. So IELTS is overall 6.5 accepted in all universities. Few universities waived IELTS based on 12th English score, MOI and University English test. So note that GR is not required for UK. and the stay back period is 24 months after graduation. So it is 2 years after graduation you can stay. So the part-time jobs. So the limit of part-time job is 20 hours per week in study period and 40 hours per week in holidays. So you can earn 7 GBP to 9 GBP per hour. So types of jobs is like you can do on-campus job in library, cafeteria, admission office, tutor assistant, like that. And you can do also off-campus jobs like residential coordinator, food chain, call center, like that. And freelancing and contractual job is also available. So let's discuss about living expenses. So you can take a screenshot of this. Here is the accommodation is 200 GBP to 800 GBP per month. Food will be 100 GBP to 200 GBP per month. Travel will be 50 GBP to 100 GBP per month. Miscellaneous expenses, which will be 50 GBP to 200 GBP per month. Overall, you will be expending 400 GBP to 1300 GBP per month. So note that these expenses will be based on the student lifestyle. So let's discuss about post-study work opportunities. So in United Kingdom, you can stay up to 24 months after course completion to find a job. Student can apply for Tier 5 temporary worker visa, which is also known as GAE visa, and can stay up to 24 additional months. And student can apply for startup visa to stay up to 24 months and can switch to innovator visa. In Netherlands, if student university subjects rank in top 200 in world ranking, so they are eligible to apply 1-year job search visa. In Canada, post completion of course in UK, student can try for express entry visa. In Australia, based on students' previous work experience, can apply for skilled independent visa. Please note that post completion of course, student will have more opportunities to get a job in UK, Middle East and India with very good pay scale. So let's talk about permanent resident. So student have to stay for 5 years on Tier 2 visa to be eligible for PR. Student have to stay 10 years on Tier 4 visa to be eligible for PR, and student have to extend startup visa to innovator visa and stay for 3 years to be eligible for PR. Note that UK have approx 50,000 sponsored companies where student can apply for full-time job. Let's talk about visa funds requirement and source. So visa funds equal to outstanding tuition fees plus living expenses. Note that in inner London it will be 12006 GBP, in outer London it will be 9207 GBP, has to be shown for financials. Source. So self and parents, visa funds will be 28 days older in account, and fixed deposit self or parents. Visa funds need to be 28 days older in account, and it will be from education loan. So let's talk about offer letter turnaround time. So usually it takes minimum 24 hours to 15 working days from day of application submission. Visa decision time. Super priority visa takes 24 hours, priority visa takes 5 working days, and normal visa takes normally 15 to 30 working days. So here is the document checklist. Please take a screenshot. You need to submit these documents for applying to study in UK. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and contact Martin.